Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get round icons for iPhone iOS 26. So basically iPhone has launched the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone iOS devices. So there are rumors that there will be available round icons in iOS 26. So if you want to get that round icons, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll down. And here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset. And you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to go to general, and here you have to look for software update, and you have to make sure that you have turned on the iOS 26 developer beta, because iPhone has not yet launched their public beta for iOS 26. So you have to simply download and install the iOS 26 beta profile. So there is iOS 26 beta 3 available. So you have to then simply download and install. And after that, what you will get, that you have to simply press and hold the home screen. And after that, you have to simply click on edit, and you have to simply go to customize. And after that, you will get that round icons option, or any option which will be available in iPhone iOS 26. So you have to simply go for that. So if you want to change that, then you have to wait for some time so that it will be available in iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.